give a short speech on the topic of social media. As we all know that social media is an online platform where we can share our ideas, thoughts, information, pictures and videos. In today's generation, everyone are using social media. It has become a common thing for every human being. There are many social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and WhatsApp. We all use them to communicate and socialize locally as well as globally. There are both advantages and disadvantages of social media, and now first I would like to mention some advantages of it. The biggest benefit of social media is that we can share our ideas with people across the world. Now even a common man can express his opinion on any national or international issues. And another benefit of social media is that people can show their talent on it. Many people have gained fame by showing their talent in social media. It is helping people to earn money. People sell a lot of things like clothes, books and electronic items through the social media. It also helps people to create awareness among the people. Now I would like to talk about some drawback of social media. Addiction is the biggest drawback of social media. People nowadays are being too much addicted to social media that they waste a lot of time on it, which may cause a lot of health disorders like eye problem and stressness, sleeplessness and anxiety. Our personal information is easily available in social media, hence we need to be very alert from hackers, and cyberbullying is one of the biggest problem of social media. So I would like to say that we should use social media wisely and in a limited way so we can most out of this platform. Thank you. Now